Okay, now I have unboxings of Skittles, or more particularly Skittles that are this colour, or this colour. There's some kind of tropical things there with only 5 flavours. Wow. Okay, right, orange ones. These are orange flavoured. Just a normal orange Skittle. There's literally nothing interesting about it. Okay, this is meant to be passion fruit. Okay. Can confirm that that's what it is. Pineapple. How deceptive. That's pretty nice. Watermelon. I have high hopes for this. Yeah, cool. This one's called Tropical Punch, which is helpful. That tastes like an air freshener. Okay, now I'm just going to do them all at once. Honestly, I felt like I just ate tropical. Okay, I'm going to do the next one now. Spicy Skittles. That thing that everyone wanted. We got such things as scorching pineapple, fiery watermelon, sizzling strawberry, lemon spark, picante passion fruit. Don't know what that even bloody means. I have to say, these do not smell spicy. Okay, let's do a bit of scorching. What's this again? Pineapple? They're just confusing like this. One time it's the yellow ones that are, you know, whatever. It's not even spicy. What? I feel this pineapple is not scorching. Well, apparently this is fiery watermelon, so who knows? No. Oh, hold on. Yeah, no. No. That's nothing. It's like eating a chicken korma. Sizzling strawberry. No. There's just nothing there. There is just literally nothing. I'm starting to taste it, but no, it's like nothing. And the appropriately named lemon spark. Nope, no spark. No spark in the slightest. And picante passion fruit for the people who thought eating passion fruit wasn't bloody fancy enough. Okay, cool. Right, so this is meant to be fruity flavours with a spicy kick. That's not really a kick. I'm pretty disappointed. I would not rate these very high. These are pretty good. Yeah. I'd probably get these. These just like the other ones, but you know, without lies on them. So yeah. Okay, that's me done.